Hello guys, welcome to day 4. Welcome to day 4. This is a beautiful thing to behold. Yeah, this is a beautiful thing to behold, and I want to show us this trade. This trade, I actually forgot to analyze this trade for us. But it's not too late. It's not too late. But there's something I'm going to do right now. There is a particular mistake that I made when I was entering this trade, and that is the mistake of, see what you're seeing here. The normal me will not do that. I entered two positions, I closed the first one in profit, then I allowed the second one to run. That is how to swing peacefully. That is how to swing a trade peacefully. And now I'm only having one position. Now I'm left with, first of all, let's check how many pips we've gotten from this trade. This is from the top to the down. That's 171 pips. 171 pips. That's a massive one there, guys. So the normal me will the normal me will open two positions, close first, and allow this one to run. But now we don't have an opportunity to do that, so I'm left with the option of either I will break even, I will put stop loss here and allow this one to run, because there's still going to be a pullback. That one is sure, that one is certain. But the thing now is that I am in the midst of I'm thinking the way you people used to think. Do you understand? So that's why I don't do my normal things, my normal way. I will have my big account. I will have entered two positions here, just the way that I did the first trade on this challenge. Now the thing is, should I allow this trade to run, or I should just close this one and just close it with $12 right now? I think we are on $11 or $12 right now. And if you look at it from higher time frame, it's still a bullish market. And we remember this particular trade, we took this sell up to this area, to this area, the day one sell. That should be day one or day two sell. Yes, so we closed it around there. It came up, it came all the way, and it gave us another opportunity to sell. And this thing happened because it created a new high. And once a new high is created, it will always retrace back to retest that area, and that is what we actually traded here. That is what we traded here. The same thing we traded here when price cleared this liquidity level. It was going up, and we targeted the area to pull back, and we actually got it right. We got more than 200 pips on our first trade. And now the same thing happened. The same thing happened right here, and after that we took a sell. But now we are waiting, and we are hoping that this particular sell will get to this area, or probably it will get to this area, or it will just bounce back from here and continue to buy. But the challenge we are having here is that we're supposed to close partial profits right there, because price can do its thing at any time. But now we are not in a position to take partial because of the pips we are having right now. I wish I'm live. I will ask you guys, what do you think we should do? But don't worry, I'm going to answer the question for us. Let's see, based on the drawdown we had on our day 3 and the trade that I told us that I'm not going to close. Let's see what we are in right now. So this is what we are right now. You can see this is the same trade that gave us drawdown and the same trade that gave us drawdown. Now I want to show us something right now, so pay attention. Look at this USD CHF and USD JPY. USD is coming as a base currency on these two pairs. So which means if USD is weak, the two pairs should be weak on the two pairs. If it's strong, it should be strong on the two pairs, because it's coming as a base currency. Now look at the trade that I took. So these trades are actually contradicting each other. Do you see that? So some of you will take a buy on a base currency and take a sell on a gold currency. That is not the best way to trade. This thing you are seeing now is not the best way to trade. I get me now. It's not the best way to trade. So you have to make sure you analyze your market and see the one that will give you profit at that time. The one that will give you that is going to be profitable, at that time. Don't worry, this particular trade, I will give us explanation for this trade on day 5. I will give us explanation for this trade on day 5. Or let's see how it goes. So there's a particular thing I did on this trade, and if you watch this trade very well, just what I told you, it's the same trade that gave us a drawdown that I'm still holding. The same thing with this one. This one I re-entered, while this one I left. It's just like that. And you can see the strategy I was talking about the other time, two positions. So this one that is very far away from my entry point, I'm going to close this one once it's in profits, and I will allow this one on a sniper mode to run. I will allow this one on a sniper mode to run. You want to see the chart on this? Don't worry, go and check your chart if you see it. Don't worry, I will show us everything. I will show us everything on this trade. But what I want to show us now is on this particular trade that we are seeing right now. On this particular trade that we are seeing right now. So I have an option to close this trade or to leave it or allow it to run. And at the same time, this trade that is running, it hasn't gotten to the stage I drew for us when we were analyzing it. See, it hasn't gotten to that level because the liquidities are still here for it to clear, and it's a very far it's a big one. It's a big one. So which means if I will close the trade, if I will close the trade, I should see reason why I should close it. I should see a reversal pattern. I mean this trade rather, sorry. This trade, I should see a reversal pattern on lower time frame that will tell me to close the trade. I should see a reversal pattern on lower time frame. If there's no reversal pattern, then I should just leave the trade to run. But why I'm leaving the trade to run, there is probability of this one increasing in losses because I'm trading against it's like a counter trade here. It's like a counter trade, yeah. So, but all the same, let's see how it goes. All right, let me just teach you guys the safest way. The safest way is we had a plan when we started this challenge, 100 pips minimum, and here we have our we've already moved close to 170 pips, and if I close it right here, it's going to be 139 pips. So I'm closing this trade. I'm closing so that we can have an opportunity to trade other pairs. Yes, we can have an opportunity to trade other pairs. So I'm closing this trade right now. I'm closing this trade right now. All right, so yeah, it's closed. It's closed. Yeah, it's closed. So let's see what all these ones will give to us. Let's see what all these ones will give to us. And when I see another pair for the trading for the day 5, yeah. When I saw that PS for day 5, I'm going to let us know. Guys.
And so you don't want to miss the day 5. You don't want to miss the day 5. What are we able to achieve on day 5? You have to know if you are able to grow this accounts to $500 we are talking about, or maybe the drawdown we are having currently is going to increase, or see, you just have to see. I don't want to tell you what to expect in day 5. I don't want to tell you what is going to happen. We have many trades to enter. We have to check positions to enter. You want to know if this drawdown actually affected our trade. You want to know if you are profitable. You want to know the trade we entered next and the reason why we enter the trade we are going to enter next. Well, you just don't want to miss the day 5. Following this challenge will help you to know how you can grow your small trading account. Yes, it will help you to know how you can grow your small trading account, and it will also help you to know how confident you should be if you take our mentorship program, because my mentees actually trade the way I trade. Yes, they trade the way I trade. We see the same thing, we see markets the same way and all that. So it will also benefit you, it will profit you if you follow suit. It will profit you if you follow suit. So if you are joining us for the first time, please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Yes, it's going to benefit both of us. It's going to benefit both of us if you subscribe to this channel, because here we offer value. On this channel we offer value. We don't do anything less than 100 pips. In case you don't know, we just do anything less than 100 pips. All right, guys, this is your guy Michael, the selfless strategic trader. Catch ya on day 5. $46 to $500.